Okay, so here we are in Bailey's Harbor Quarry. So we're at another place in the Sturgeon Bay area up in Door County. And what we're looking at here are Silurian rocks. So there's a lot of shallow marine organisms that used to live in these rocks. And so this quarry is actually mining out this rock for just crushed stone, probably for landscaping and stuff. You can see that there's some limestone over there. It's pretty well bedded here. You can see like the little lines. And then all of these rocks are just plumb full of fossils, such as this one right here. So these fossils, you can actually see this weird hexagonal pattern here, and those are actually called hexacorals since they're hexagon shaped. And then here is a brachiopod fossil. It's just a nice little arch right here. It's kind of the side of a shell. So if the shell was like, you know, the top of the shell and then the side of the shell. So that's what's actually fossilized right here. Over here we actually have some rugose coral, which is laying on its side. So usually it looks like a horn that's just kind of like laying there. And then there's some actually smaller bits. This is more of a more direct horn coral right here on its side. So it looks like, you know, a little horn that a bull would have or something. So these are all silicified organisms. They actually got these silica fluids percolated in and replaced all of these hexagon corals and the brachiopods here. So this isn't any of the original hard parts. This is all different minerals that replaced them in the end. So, yep, different ways of fossilization. And these pentamarid brachiopods, which are just kind of like little clam things. You can see that they're just like internal molds. So this mud comes in and it fills the cavity that used to have this brachiopod, because brachiopods usually are like clamped together. These brachiopods actually got filled in with some silica fluids, and then they just got hardened into the rocks.